Alright, so this is the Billie Jeans project by Jordan, Payne, and Aaron P.
Alright, we have the linear growth equation right here.
First names.
The question was, Tyrone has an allowance fund at home. His mom gave him $10 to begin with and promised him $5 each day after. Alright, how we got to our explicit was, we noticed that it said promised him $5, so we did 5x because that was the slope, $5 each day. Okay, so that would be the slope, and he started at 10, so we plus 10 to that overall value. Right? Our recursive, it's pretty easy to get from the explicit. Next equals now plus 5 because now would be 1 before next, and to get to next you have to add 5 because he gets $5 each day after, and he starts at $10. Here we have a prediction. At x equals 10, y will equal 60. He will have $60 after 10 days. We have a table of values and a graph here, which we graphed. We graphed the graph, yeah.
Alright, so this one's exponential growth. The question is, if Quisha's allowance increases by 2.7% per year, if her allowance starts at $7, what is her allowance 4 years from now? And the split equation is y equals 7 times 1.027 to the x. And our recursive is x equals now times 1.027. Our start is 7 equals 7. And we got that because we did 2.7%, so we got 1, which is 100% of the data, times 0.027. And our prediction is when x equals 6, y equals 8.2 to 8.21, and our table is right there in our graph. We went by 1/10, and we got that.
Here we have linear decay, and the question was, Sharkeisha runs a marathon. Her original speed was 10 miles per hour, but she slows down 1 mph per hour. And how we got to explicit, we have negative x because there's a 1 before negative 1x, because every hour she goes down by 1. She started at 10 miles per hour. Recursive is easy to take from the explicit. Next equals now minus 1 because now would be 1 more than the next one, so you have to subtract 1 to get to the next. And we started at 10 because that's the speed she started at. The prediction would be she would stop moving at x equals 10, y would equal 0. Here we have a graph to graph her rate of decay speed. And here we have the graph the table of values. So yeah, we move on to exponential decay.
Exponential decay. So our question is, Jose weighs 8,000 pounds. If his weight appreciates 5% per year, what is his weight 5 years from now? And our split equation is y equals 8,000 times 0.95 to the x, and that's because it depreciates, so 1 minus 0.05 is 95, and our start equals 8,000, and our recursive rule is next equals now times 0.95, and our prediction is at x equals 5, y equals 6,190.25, and our table is right there. 0, 8,000, 1, 7, 600, yeah. And our graph is going in hundreds, from 6,400 to 8,800, and our graph is depreciating. Hope that's a word, depreciating, and yeah, that's our project. Yeah.